GoGo DiNO!
Ooh, will you help me make some dinosaur designs with our Play-Doh set? Look at all the things that we can make. Oh, look at this cool dinosaur. Oh man, I can't wait to make something out of that. And it looks like a dinosaur footprint. And a volcano. Ooh, and they gave us a shaping tool. There's a crocodile and some trees. We have pink, orange, yellow, and green. Let's get Play-Dohing. How about we make our volcano first? Here we go. Oh, that's so cool. Look at that. Yeah, just like a volcano erupting. How about if we put spikes on our dinosaur? I just love the smell of Play-Doh. Here, you want some? I think he was hungry. Here we go. I think we need more. Cough it up, T-Rex. Oh, see the spikes? He made green spikes on his back.
Now he looks like a stegosaurus.
How about a big footprint? We could do that one in yellow. Hey, don't eat our Play-Doh, silly dinosaur. Ooh, look at our footprint. Maybe we should make two of them. Cough it up, T-Rex. I need to make another footprint. It's like a cookie cutter. Ooh, yeah, look at that one. Some dinosaur was here. Look at his big feet. He made those footprints. Now we have our template, and it looks like our dinosaur sits right on here. Oh, see that? Now we can make some stuff around him. Hey! How about if we make a leaf? How about if we put some yellow in our volcano? Ooh, looks like fire. How about if we make this alligator? Give this video a thumbs up if you see the alligator. Ooh, let's make it dragonfly. There you have it. A little dragonfly.
Have you ever seen a real dragonfly in person?
Ooh, a snail. I say let's make another footprint. This time we're going to do it in orange. There you go. There you go. I think he was hungry. Be sure to like and subscribe and click one of these other videos for more GoGo fun!
See you on our next show.